Authorities assure that it is now safe for displaced Lumas to return to their mountainous barangay in Talaingo, Davao del Norte. The military earlier launched operations against rebels in the area. Joey Sem Dalumpinas of the Philippine Information Agency 11 filed this report.
The military assured the 309 families of indigenous peoples from Barangay Palmahil, Talaingo, Davao del Norte, who fled to Davao City following the military operation in April 1, that they can now safely return to their homes in the mountains. Colonel Harold Cabreros, commander of the 1003rd Infantry Brigade, said the military operation is directed solely on the rebels and not on the indigenous peoples. He said it is the responsibility of the military to ensure the safety and security of the indigenous peoples who are easily swayed by the propaganda ploy of the left because of their lack of appreciation to the real situation of the country.
Educational advancement. Nakita natin ang ating mga kapatid na IP ay na-exploit dahil kulang sa kaalaman. Kaya kailangan matuto sila at mabigyan na aral kung ano na yung mga bagong teknolohiya o ang kanilang mga anak ay kailangan na makapag-aral na maayos para mas nalalaman nila kung anong mga dapat nilang gawin.
Cabrero said government troops engaged the rebels only their presence in Barangay Palmahil during the conduct of the Peace and Development Outreach Program in the area. He denied that aerial bombing was used in the conduct of pursuing the rebels.
Unang-una, yung programa ng ating Armed Forces of the Philippines na Winning the Peace, yun yung pinapaabot namin sa kanila na kailangan ang Winning the Peace natin, yung Kampimplan Bayanihan natin ay people-centered. Kaya yung mga tao ang ating ine-engage ngayon, hindi yung mga armado na armado. Pero kung nandyan yung armado, nandyan tayo para protektahan sila.
Earlier, Mayor Basilio Libayo urged his constituents who fled to Davao City to return home. He denied that abuses were committed by soldiers in the conduct of the military operation. He said he would be the first to know if abuses are committed against his people. He thanked Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte for attending to the needs of the 309 families during their stay in Davao City. For the People's Television, Joey Sem Dalumpinas of the Philippine Information Agency Davao Region reporting.